Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on ChatGPT. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about ChatGPT. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.